Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the radioactive charm in Fish It. In this latest update, there's a brand new charm that can boost your chance of catching radioactive mutation fish. This one, this one, it costs 20,000 coins, and it will look like this. This one. This charm can be used for up to 30 cards, and so if you want a better chance to get those rare radioactive fish, this item is definitely worth to getting. And how do you get it? It's actually pretty easy. Just need to go to the new location set called sewer, this area, and the charm shops is located over here, this one. And then in here you will be able to buy the radioactive charm directly. And if you don't know how to go to this sewer, this new area, you can just check the link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.